Now let's begin. First, we need to remove all screws that hold the back cover of the LCD TV. Gently lift the cover to remove it. This is a Samsung 40 inches LCD TV Series 5. Put the cover in a safe place. After removing the back cover, you will see the main part. This is the power supply board. This is the video and audio board. Next, remove the stand of the TV. And put it at the side. Now we need to remove these two speakers. These speakers are connected to the audio and video board with a connector wire. So we need to remove this one. Now remove the screws that hold the metal plate and the two speakers. There are 6 screws that we need to remove. After we remove the speakers and the metal file in between the two speakers, we will now put the power, and we will see the actual image of the screen. Now, power on the TV. You can see there is a double image on the screen. And if you go to the settings, you can see the text in the settings is also doubled. This is the problem that we are going to solve. How to fix the double image on the screen of our LCD TV. Now turn off the TV and remove the power cord. This is the back of our LCD TV. We have here the power supply board, the video and audio board, and the time control board. This ribbon connector from the Ticon board is connected to the LCD panel. And this Ticon board is connected to the video and audio board. We will determine which of the two ribbon connector causes the screen to have a double image. We will test it one by removing one of the ribbon, and we will see the appearance of the screen. Now we will remove this ribbon connector. Be careful in removing this connector. It is very sensitive. It is directly connected to the LCD panel. After removing this ribbon connector, we will see the appearance of the screen. This ribbon connector that we remove is responsible on the display on the left side of the screen. After removing the ribbon connector, we will now turn on the TV and see what the appearance on the screen. You can see from here that the right side of the screen still have a double image, and the left side has black or no display because we disconnect the ribbon on that side. We will turn off the TV again, and we will put back the ribbon connector that we removed, and we will try to remove the other one. Now put back the ribbon connector and remove the other side. Again, turn on the TV. You can see that the Samsung image is very clear, and it has a good image. The half is good, but the right side has no image because we disconnect the ribbon connector on that side. We turn off the TV, and this is the main part. We're going to fix the last ribbon connector that we disconnect because it has a bad contact with the Ticon board. Now I'm going to cut a small scotch tape with a rectangular shape, and I will put this tape at the edge of the ribbon connector. This is how it looks. Put it on the a little left side of the ribbon like this, and put it back Make sure that the ribbon connector is aligned before you press the plastic tab. Now we will see the appearance of the screen. Put back the power plug and turn on the TV. Oh, there you have it. The Samsung logo is now very clear. The double image is now fixed. And the screen is very clear. The small tape that we put on the ribbon connector helps to have a good contact to the Ticon board going to the LCD panel. If you find this video very helpful, please do subscribe, like, and comment to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button that appear on your screen. This is the ribbon connector that we fixed. We put a small scotch tape that increased the contact to the Ticon board going to the LCD panel. If the ribbon connector has a poor contact with the Ticon board, you will have a double image display.